This video is on cosmic demon. We are going to make two postulates. Number one, cosmic demon exists. Number two, we exist inside a simulated universe. First, to understand this phenomena, we look at the history of technological advancements. For thousands of years, there had been no technology. But since 1900, technology is increasing in rapid rate, in exponential rate. Why? No scientist in the world has been able to explain it successfully. Why technology is advancing since 1900 in exponential rate, but prior to 1900s, there is no technology. Why? See, there is no satisfactory explanation for this one. But I'm going to explain this one. Make a thought experiment. First, observers are confined inside the box. Imagine they're confined inside a box. Now this box is rapidly falling inside a black hole. As the box crosses the event horizon, the powerful gravitational force tears the atoms apart. See, originally atom was indivisible, but after the box crosses the event horizon, the indivisible atom gets split into positive and negative charge, and continue. And in progress, nucleus also becomes split into neutron and proton. See, this way, indivisible atom becomes divisible. So the the people inside the box will first see that there is no technology impossible. But when the box crosses the event horizon, as the atoms ripped apart into particles, automatically technology will emerge: radio, TV, computer, satellite. The persons inside the box, people inside the box will think, oh, we are advancing in technology. We are making so much advancement in science and technology. We are developing, advancing. See, ancient time people were foolish. They couldn't make any technology, any radio, TV. But now we are advancing in science and technology, making radio, TV, computer, satellites. But in reality, what's happening? The box is falling inside the black hole. It has already crossed the event horizon. That's why atom got splitted and technology is increasing. So this advancement of technology is an omen. It's not actually a good sign. It's a bad sign that technology is developing. See, but the people confined inside this box doesn't understand it. Now think that there is a huge cosmic scale black hole which devours even universes. So this cosmic black hole is actually devouring our universe, entire universe. And we already has crossed the line of event horizon in 1900 CE. That's why atoms are getting ripped apart, and that's why technology is increasing. See? Atom is getting ripped apart in positive and negative charges, and that's make us able to develop technology. So technology is an omen, bad sign, that our universe is falling inside a cosmic black hole. See, technology is an omen. Now replace this black hole with a cosmic demon. Think a huge cosmic demon is warping space and time, and our universe is falling inside the layer of this cosmic demon, or black hole of this cosmic demon. So as the space-time is curved, the pressure of the curvature of space-time is breaking the atom apart. The indivisible atom becomes divisible. That's why since 1900 technologies advancing in rapid rate. See, this is the cause of advancement of technology. This is a symptom of demonic effect. The demon is affecting us, demonic force. The same thing about satellite. Think, if it was pure classical mechanics, satellite would have fall spiral down toward Earth like a classical electron. See, but the existence of demonic force is preventing the probability wave function of orbits from collapsing. So that's why satellite is remaining in orbit. So orbit of the satellites is an example of quantum decoherence. Quantum decoherence causing the satellites to exist in the orbit. So it's a quantum phenomenon. It's not a classical mechanical phenomenon. Simmering out symptom of demonic effect. Now picture this. Our modern civilization is actually a contraption of the demon. See, like we catch rats with mouse trap. The demon is catching us with the modern civilization. It's a trap, modern civilization. It's a trap of the cosmic demon. That's why it's so attractive. See, magnetic levitation trend, satellite, TV, computer, smartphone. See, why? See, think to a fly, cobweb of a spider looks attractive. It's the same thing. We are foolish. To us, the modern civilization looks attractive because actually it's a trap. It's irony, see, which is comfortable, which is attractive, is actually a trap. So it's very scientific and logical to think that modern civilization is a trap of the cosmic demon. Think, does 16th century or 17th century looks attractive to you? Will you want to go to 16th century or 17th century where there is no smartphone, no LED TV, no satellite, no computer? No. See, it doesn't look to you attractive. See, but modern civilization is lucrative, attractive, satellite, magnetic levitation trend, computer, LED TV, smartphone. See, why it is so attractive? Think. It's irony. What is attractive, what is lucrative is actually a trap. Because to a rat, free cheese is lucrative, attractive. But it cannot understand that free cheese is actually a mouse trap. See? It's now come to the psychological model. We're going to explain this same cosmic demon phenomenon in a psychological model. Think, suppose we live in medieval period. In medieval period, a cosmic demon attacked us. It denoted with octopus here. Cosmic demon attacked us. And this cosmic demon first spread hypnotic virus. And this hypnotic virus made us asleep. So we are sleepers. Now what's happening? We are sleeping. That means the observer is sleeping. That's what's causing the atom to transform into wave. Analogy of quantum double slit experiment. When observer sleeps, atom becomes wave. And that's why technology is advancing. See, think why electronics exist. Because of wave property of electrons. See, because atoms have become wave, the technology, electronics advancing. So technology is advancing inside our dream. In dream reality, technology is advancing, in not original reality. It's a dream reality, crossing by the cosmic demon. We actually exist inside medieval period, but as we made to sleep by the cosmic demon, the atoms become wave. Analogy of double slit experiment, and that's why technology is advancing. This graph is saying that one. See, before cosmic demon, their atom was indivisible, solid and there was no technology, like horse cart, no technology. But after cosmic demon infected us with hypnotic virus, we fell asleep and atoms become wave, and that's why technology like radio, TV, computer, satellite are developing. So technology is developing inside our wave, inside our dream. We are under hypnosis. So that long look at ethics. So look at the characters of modern civilization. Why modern civilization is so anti-Islamic? See, science and cosmology is atheist. Banking is interest. Media is nudity. Why? Because think, cosmic demon is actually trying to destroy our Islamic faith. Because Islamic faith is the defense against the cosmic demon. See, in medieval period, when cosmic demon is actually attacking us, in which reality, in that reality, that's reality, Islamic faith is the defense. It's magical, but that is the science. The Islamic faith is the demon, defense. That's why cosmic demon is first destroying our Islamic faith, putting us into hypnosis and destroying our Islamic faith with science, media, banking. So the one depicted with this picture, suppose we are insect confined inside a box. See, and box there is a TV and there is a bank. TV is showing us atheist science and cosmology and making us atheist. And bank is feeding us with interest. So this way, the Islamic faith of this insect is being destroyed. When the Islamic faith will be destroyed, the demon, which is spider, will come to grab us. See, spider is first destroying its defense. That is Islamic faith. When the defense will be gone, the demon will come to attack it. See the one. This is the explanation why modern civilization is so anti-Islamic. Now I don't know what happens in the afterlife, or I don't know what is soul, but I can make an educated guess. Suppose when a man dies, he becomes 50% dead and 50% alive. Analogy of Schrödinger's cat, quantum superposition state. So what happens to the dead bird? We bury it, make it for a funeral, etc. But what about the alive bird? See, demon comes and grab the alive bird and take it to its world. And what happens in demonic world? That these peoples are made to work as slaves. See, these slaves, human slave produces the labor, and labor is transformed into energy by the demon, and demon consumes this energy. That's demon is an economic predator. It consumes energy via economics. See? Economics is here physics, econophysics, that labor is transformed to energy. Econophysics, economical physics. Now we are going to show that we live inside a simulated universe. Think about rats. When we do put rats in maze and do experiments, can rats understand that an experiment is conducted on them? No. The same way, we are like rats. We cannot understand if a superior creature is conducting experiment on us. It's beyond our capacity to understand. Now suppose rats are put inside an accelerated rocket. So according to principle of equivalence, acceleration equal to gravity. So these rats will experience gravitational force. But this gravitational force is fake, fictitious. But will that rat understand that it's fictitious gravity? They will think it's real gravity. See? Then we are like these rats. We live in a fictitious gravitational force, gravitational field, but we do not understand it. We don't have the capacity to understand. We think it's a real gravitational force. See? So now, according to general relativity, gravity is curvature of space-time. So if gravity is fictitious, then curvature of space-time is fictitious. Curvature of space-time is synthetic. See, we live in a synthetic space-time, but we are like rats. We do not have the capacity to understand that it's a synthetic space. That's why I think space-time is elastic. See, you can stretch and contract rubber with force. Similarly, we can contract and expand space-time with force, like length contraction, time dilation. See, space-time is like rubber, so therefore space-time is synthetic. See, length contraction, time dilation occurs because space-time is synthetic. We live inside a synthetic space-time. So we can think ourselves as a rat, and the universe is an artificial gravity space station. We are rats and have been put inside the artificial gravity space station, but we don't have the capacity to understand. We think we exist in a real universe, in real gravitational field, but actually it's an artificial gravitational space station where we exist. We are like rats, subhuman species. We don't have the capacity to understand. And look at Penrose diagram. What Penrose diagram does concises infinite space-time into a limited space-time. That's why axis of space-time gets curved. Similarly, think in our universe, space-time is non-Euclidic. Space-time is curved. Why? It's like Penrose diagram, that infinite space-time is artificially concised into a limited region. That's why space-time has become non-Euclidic, curved. Evidence that it's an artificial space-time. And an example from chemistry. Think in what is polythene? Chain of carbon atoms. See? The same way, think of the space-time. The space-time is chain of quantum entangled particles. See? So space-time is like a polythene, something like quantum mechanical polythene. See? So we can say space-time is polythene. So space-time is artificial, synthetic. But we are like rats. We do not have the capacity to understand that our space-time is synthetic, polythene. So we can safely assume that we live inside a matrix, a simulated universe. But we are like rats, a subhuman species. We don't have the capacity to understand that we exist inside a simulated universe. And that is why, in general theory of relativity, observer exists inside a confined box. See, why? Because the universe is simulation. The universe is a simulation. That's why, in general relativity, observer is confined inside a box. Observer doesn't know what exists outside. See, explanation for principle of equivalence. So, why we can go to moon and Mars, can understand the laws of the universe, Big Bang singularity. Why? Because think it's a fake universe, fake. It's a deception, a fake universe. That's why we can understand the laws of the universe. We can go to moon and Mars because it's a fake universe. See? It's a deception. It's giving us the illusion of knowledge, but it's actually deception. It's a fake universe. This knowledge has no value. Fake knowledge, fake science, fake cosmology. Original universe is unknown, mysterious, beyond human capacity to understand. Original universe is made of binary codes, and we're incapable of understanding. We're like rats. Can a rat understand Unix operating system? No. That's why, similarly, we do not have the capacity to understand the original universe. The universe we see is fake. It's a toy universe. It's a valueless universe. The original universe is existing behind the curtain. Nobody knows what it is. There is no mechanical way to probe this original universe. It is totally unknown, dark.